Let's go on with Sound Effect panel in this episode. Sound Effect panel is followed by Audio Mixer. Click the tab, and on the left side you'll notice there are a lot of sound effect presets here. To play the sound effect, just click on it. And the volume of the sound effect can be adjusted by dragging the slider up and down on the right. If you want to import a new sound effect, just click the button on the upper right corner. Double-click on the blank area in the dialog. Browse and select the target music. Click Open to import it. After that, you may want to list your audio effect in the preset library. Just select the audio effect and drag and drop it in the preset library on the right. Voila, it will be shown in the preset library.